Hello guys, good evening. Welcome back in this session. This is our Django tutorials guys, and our main intention is today to we are working with the Django filter concept, right? This is a part of ORM, okay? So already we have covered two things guys. What we have covered guys, already we have covered about that how to get data, how to get single data and what kind of issue we can face, okay? How to get like multiple data, like all the data from the tables guys, okay? Let's assume this is our database guys, okay? Let's assume this is your database, okay guys? Now from this database how you can fetch the data guys, okay? Let's say this is your database, okay? How you will fetch the data guys, okay? And this is your, let's assume now this is your database, this is your backend, okay? Means your view function, and now this is your customer screen guys, okay? Let's assume this is become your HTML page, means from client, means like let's see, client means web browser, okay? Web browser guys, okay? This is your web browser, okay? And this is your, let's say, server guys, okay? This is your server, okay? Like backend server, okay? This is your database here guys, okay? This is your database, okay guys? Now database is different concept. The server we are using for server, we are using here Python Django guys, okay? We using Python and Django guys, okay? Here now for database guys, we have the here code, okay? Here if you guys remember, we have here multiple file guys, okay? Django project, like pro pro 7, right? We have inside, we have several file guys, okay? Models.py file, okay? Then we have forms.py file, okay? urls.py file, then views.py file guys, okay? Now in the models.py file guys, whatever code we are writing, that is we are writing for the what purpose guys? We are writing for the code for database purpose, right? We are writing the code for database purpose, okay? Means creating the tables, okay guys, in the database, okay? In the views.py file, whatever code we are writing, in, if you remember guys, inside the views.py file, whatever code is we are writing, that is a business logic guys, okay? What is that? That is the business logic here, okay? Business logic to this file is responsible to communicate with the front end, okay? Same time this file is also responsible to communicate with the database also guys, okay? Right now guys, okay? This file guys, here only we are writing here the code to get the data from database and to send the data from the HTML page guys. Remember guys, this architecture how it's working here. So this is the only things guys, this file right now, this is our file, this file is handling everything guys, okay? This file, what request is coming, what they have to do, they have to talk with, communicate with a database. Yeah, simply they have to send request to the backend guys, okay? Sometimes in the some case we are communicating with a database, then we are sending the request to the backend guys, okay? For example, let me show you any project is there guys. Let me show you about the, we have done the one project guys, student management system, right? So in that, let me explain you the one views.py file, okay? Let's see here views.py file here guys, okay? Country here, okay? Country means here basically we are creating the country guys here, okay? Means once request is coming, once click on the country button, once forms will be open guys, okay? Means here there is no any code related to the database guys, okay? And directly we are opening the forms here, okay? Means forms, then it's opening the forms and displaying into the front end guys, means it will display into the here guys, okay? Open the forms and display here, okay? Let's see here. Now there is a one more file here, country list here guys, okay? What happening here guys? there is a code to communicate with the database. Okay, once request is coming here, once request is coming as here, okay, once request is coming here, okay, then what is doing the first line is going to the database, which table guys, country.object.all, means is coming to the models also, means going to the models means the our database guys. Okay, it will what it will go, it will do guys, it will read the data, it will get the all the data, okay, from country table. Okay, then it will send back to here. Okay, here means it will get the data into the which object guys, here what is the object name, countries, this object. Okay, then next what will happen here guys, then it will, then this data will send back to the front end. Okay guys, then it will send back to the front end to see the customer by using how guys, by using like context parameter, it will send to the HTML page. This will define the template guys. Understand guys how it's working here. Okay, so this is the architecture how front end backend database is come set up. Okay, and where is the connection, where is the connection for database things guys. Okay, where we build the, where we build the connectivity for database, that for we have used to the which file guys, settings.py file. Okay, for connectivity we have done the settings.py file guys. Okay, in that we have write the code for building the connectivity connection guys. Okay, understand guys till now. So okay, let me show you the option here, let me show you the our country, our restaurant management system guys here. Okay, how is that, this one right, restaurant management system, python manager.py file run server guys. Okay, running, let's open it guys. Okay, here let's see it's running or not. Okay, yeah, actually we have done, means it's running now correctly here. Okay, let me open, go it here. Okay guys, let me mention one more thing, this is our channel called BasicToTop. If anyone is the new here, just you guys can subscribe this channels and watch the tutorials guys. Okay, and if anyone willing to join the live session, just comment it here. Yeah, you can just you can send the mail here guys, over there you will find the mail here. Okay, uh, once you log in, then you will find the mail, then you can just reach out to me, you send the mail, then I will send the live link. Okay, link to join the live session guys. Okay, just a small notes. Okay, even though you guys can just visit to our website, there you can find the source code and other things, then github, there we find our notes, and the you can visit the github also, and we can follow that our LinkedIn page, Facebook page, and Instagram page guys. Okay, now that's fine. Now let me run that package here guys. Okay, can you see our restaurant management system guys. Okay, this was the things system I was explaining you about the country page. Okay, see the country, country means country list here. Okay, country list means it's going to the database and sending back to key, click country list here guys. Can you see here country. Okay, now here what will happen guys, this data is coming from database. Okay, now means we, there we have all the action, means request coming here, means customer side request is coming from the customer guide, from here request coming, going to view function, then view take the request, and in this code we in this function we have the code, we have the code to get data from the database, then it will display to the front end backend. Okay, that what is happening for this screen. Okay, now once you click on the forms guys. Okay, then country here, in this code what is happening guys, let's see here, country, this is the first time, this is the request is coming by default get method. Okay, so here just we are displaying the forms guys. Okay, so just request coming here, then whatever code is there guys, just displaying the forms into the front end, means what is happening guys here. Now let's assume from the front end here again request is coming guys here. Okay, from here request is coming. Okay guys, let's see again someone joining. Okay, now here again guys what is happening guys, here again request is coming from the front end to the views.py file. Okay, we know about the urls mapping guys. Okay, how request will come through urls only, so request coming from front end to views.py file. Now what is happening guys here, for this page for this page guys, there is a no database connectivity here. Okay, can you see here? So code just displaying the forms. So here now for this code, so directly it will send back to the request to the front end, means it will just open the forms guys. Okay, here just it will open the forms. Okay, now next what will happen guys? So there is a no connectivity for database there, because you are not getting data from database here. Okay, now next, once you fill the data guys, here once you fill the data, then let's put here 92, let's put here something 93, then let's put Sri Lanka. Okay, then description. Okay, here, okay, put Sri Lanka DEC. Okay, DESC. Okay, something. Okay, now now if you send the data guys here, so request will come here guys by using post method. Okay, we are saving the data. So again here there is a database connectivity. Okay, forms.save means it will save the database, means from internally guys it will save into the database. Okay, so internally what is happening guys here, once request is coming from the, once click on submit button guys in the front end, once you click on submit button after filling the data guys, so request will go here, then it will do the forms validations. Okay, after forms validation it will send the data, it will save data into the database guys. Okay, then again after saving the data into the database, it will send back the response to the front end guys. Okay, like it will redirect to the other page. For example here going to the country list page. Okay, same this process is happening guys. Okay, here country list page, this process is happening here. Okay, so this was the way what things happen. So this was the workflow in happening guys. Okay, now in the, this was the architecture guys. Now in the, come to the ORM concept here. Okay, in the ORM concept guys, in the ORM guys, I have explained you few things. Okay, uh, to get the data means uh, ORM is object relational mapper guys. Okay, how we can get the data from the front end guys. Okay, like sorry, how you can get the data from the database table, means how to get the data from database. Okay, 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 now there is a three way guys. Okay, there is a three way. First by all method guys. Okay, you already you know guys about all method. Okay, to use to get all data from the tables. Okay, in our case country is the table guys. Okay, here. Okay, first, then first way, first option. Okay, let's see. Okay, then second option, second option by using get method guys. Okay, use to get the single record, use to get the particular record. Okay, particular record, particular data from the table. Okay, if guys there is a one issue guys. Okay, if uh, if it will raise the issue, I already explained you guys. Okay, there is a issue will come, it will match the data more than one duplicate data is there, then it will raise the issue guys. Okay, then next was the option like third option what we are working currently guys. Okay, third option by using filter method. Okay, by using filter, use to filter the data based on some, based on condition guys. Okay, understand guys, these all are the option. So in the filter we are working guys. Okay, in the, there is a, in the get method there is a drawback means guys there is also issues, like if in the database has more than one data, like in the country table guys. Okay, by mistake we entered India or India, two country name. Okay, there is a no unique column, so it will raise the issue data found more than one. Okay, and also there is a less data, guys, means data is not found, then also it will raise the error, guys. Okay, data is not found, that way it will raise the error. Okay, both scenario. Okay, in filter method, guys, it will not raise the error, guys. Okay, so in the filter methods already we have discussed few things. Let's focus on our filter method, guys. Okay, let's focus on our filter concept. Okay, so in filter, already you know, guys. Okay, in the last sessions I have explained you few lookups. What is the requirement for filter, guys? Let's see our notes, guys. Here in our notes I have clearly mentioned about the filter, right? With the filter, go down, option 3, get data based on some condition. Okay, condition means what with the requirement will come, guys. uh, Filter the student data whose name is starting with R. Filter the student data whose name is ending with R. That also our cover. Then filter the data based on some kind of condition. Okay, these things already we have covered, guys. Okay, then also I have explained you about the faker module. Okay, let's assume we have some kind of tables like a student table. So how you guys can enter some kind of fake data for testing purpose, guys. Okay, so yesterday I have explained you by using faker module we can do, if you remember, guys. Okay, within the few seconds I have entered 100 number of row in the table, guys. Okay, if you remember it, guys. Okay, the next was, so I have done. Okay, so this was the just some of the script what I have explained you yesterday in the last session, guys. Okay, now today about the filter concept, guys, we have discussed about the few lookups, guys. Okay, in the filter concept, in the filter concept, remember filter concept used to filter the data, used to filter the data based on some condition, guys. Okay, understand, guys? Condition should be anything, guys. Okay, for examples, for example, by using first name. Okay, by using first name, last name, yeah, maybe date of birth. Okay, and then maybe requirement will come, salary range, salary range. Okay, maybe then requirement will come, is active or not, by using active. Okay, in exact data, exact data. So all those things requirement will come. Okay, so in to perform this all the operations we have some kind of concept is called lookups, guys. Okay, lookups. Okay, okay, what is the lookups, guys? How to, if your requirement will come to get the data, means like your requirement will come, filter the data by using first name is just starting with R. So start with, starts with. Okay, then ends with. Okay, then contains. Okay, then icontains. These are the lookups, guys. Remember, guys. Okay, these are the lookups. Okay, remember it, guys. Okay, icontains, then exact, exact match, iexact. Understand, guys? I will explain you. These are the, remember it, guys. Okay, in range. Okay, then maybe we can use start with, ends with, then less than. Okay, less than g, what is that, GLT, less than, LTE, less than equal to, GT, greater than, GT, greater than equal to. Understand, guys? Means start with, uh, used to, used to filter, used to filter the data based on, based on starts with by a specific character. Okay, no, understand, guys? For example, filter the data by using name. Who's starting, name start with name. Okay, name. Okay, understand, guys? Okay, the next end with, used to filter the specific, specific data whose name is ending with some character, a specific character, okay, such as any, like R, Z, any guy, anyone, okay, contains, filter the data if contains any characters in that word, okay, okay. Then I contains, this both are same guys. I contains means here I means I, both are same here. I means ignore, simply guys, okay, ignore means it will uppercase lowercase, by default it will be the exact case, then means there is uppercase lowercase guys, okay. If your requirement will come, if you wanted to ignore the case guys, okay, sometimes you don't want to worry about the uppercase and lowercase, in that situation guys we have to use the I exact, okay, means I means it will ignore the case. I will show you the practically guys, okay. Then exact means like exactly match guys, okay, means exactly match, exactly match, okay. Here I means ignore the case, ignore the case, okay. In means it will accept in the list format guys, okay, in the accept into take into a list format, then filter the record, okay. If you have list of record, then if you want to check this all of the exist, then you want to filter, in that way we can use, okay. Range format guys, okay, in the range means it will take like already you know about the range function guys, okay, in the for loop I have explained you, right. So in the range function here, it will take like your requirement will come, I want to filter all the employee whose salary range is starting with like uh, 10,000 to 1,000 to like 40,000. Understand, guys? So this kind of range, if your requirement will come to filter the employee whose name is, whose salary is between these two range. So that kind of operation if we need to perform, then we have to go with the range method, guys. Okay, here range function. Okay, like range lookups, guys. Okay, then less than, if your requirement will come guys, if I want to filter all the employee whose salary is less than 40 guys, okay, like 40,000, okay. Understand guys? So we have to use the this way. If means 40,000 means salary will come up to 0 to means less than means up to 39,000, right? Understand guys? Up to 39,099, okay, means up to it will come guys, okay. So up to it will come means up to 39,039, okay, 99, okay. And if your requirement will come to match exact value also, means your requirement will come filter the employee whose salary is less than, yeah, 30 means this will be 40, it will be include also, means greater than, okay, same way guys, okay. If your requirement will come to filter the employee whose salary is greater than 40, like 50, let's see 40 only, okay, means means it will take 14 will more than 40, okay, greater than 40, yeah? Greater than equal to 40, okay, it will take like same also, like 40 also it will count here, okay. Here it will not count 40, means 40.1 40.2 it will take here, okay. Understand guys? So these all are the things we can use the basic lookups guys, okay. So let me, so these are the basic lookups that we need here guys, okay, in this so that what I am explaining here, okay. So this concept is called ORM lookups guys, okay. In interview they will ask you ORM, give me the ORM lookups and how to use, okay. So these things you have to tell. I have listed the few ORM lookups guys, that is the well and fine, I think so. Then let me explain you about, let's see the official documentation guys, okay. Django ORM lookups, okay. Let's give the official documents guys, okay. Django official documentation, what they are telling, okay. Hmm. Django ORM lookups. Okay, let's go with this one only. Let's see. Can you see the lookups, guys? Here, here is the lookups, guys. Wait a minute, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Documentation. Hmm. Wait a minute, guys. Django. Okay. Django. Yes, can see exact match these things. ORM. This one. I want exactly the documentation is okay. Let's see. I think. Is this one or not? Get filter entry object. Yeah, I think this one. Okay, let's go with W3 tutorials, guys. Okay, we'll find it here. More easiest way. Can you see, guys, whatever I have explained you? Contains. Okay, I contains date day. That's I don't explain. I don't want to explain you right now. Then see ends with I ends with I means just ignoring the case, guys. Okay, case sensitive. Okay, that means I mean just you want to ignore the case means you don't want to care about the uppercase and lower case, guys. Okay, that means meaning of I means just ignore the case means I don't want to care about the uppercase lower case. Okay, then see exact I exact means same. Just I want to ignore the case. In means it will match the list of value, guys. Okay, then GT greater than GT less than GT means greater than equal to, less than equal to. So these things range function. Important things we have covered, guys. Okay, that daily use case we have covered it. Okay, so already I have explained you the daily things. Okay, whatever daily is happening, guys. Okay, so these things we guys we can see the practically, guys. Okay, these things we have to see the practically. So do you have time right now? Is it okay, all of you? Yeah, do you want me to explain more, guys? Just let me know first. So did you understand what of the
Sir, for
concept I'm
today that much.
telling you here? I did not
Sir,
hear you,
concepts
Ashutosh.
are clear, but till now. Hello, sir.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes. Go ahead.
Sir, I am saying all are clear, but till now that much concept is okay, sir.
Okay, so what we'll do, we will continue from tomorrow. Then we can stop it here, and you guys can just understand these things. So tomorrow we will see the end-to-end practically, guys. Okay. Tomorrow we will see the practically here, practical examples. But remember all those things, guys. Then also I will explain you about how you can work with other kinds of concept, like there is also how you can combine the two columns and like how to perform and or and not these things we will see the once we practical these things, right? Then we will see the things also. Okay, how to perform logical and or and not. Okay, guys, so I think so we can stop here now. Okay, that is fine for all of you. Yeah, you want to learn more something?
Yes, sir.
So should we stop it here today's session?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys.